There's plenty of free comedies to be had on YouTube if you look hard enough. Full feature-length movies and stand-up comedy specials do exist on YouTube, and we have the best of the best right here. First up is the classic 80s hit, Better Off Dead. John Cusack stars as the epitome of teenage angst in a storyline which follows the tried-and-true plotline of boy gets dumped and boy fights to win his girlfriend back. Along the way, Cusack's character, Lane Meyer, struggles with depression, frustration, and anger in often hilarious ways. You'll need someone who's easily amused to really get into this one. I mean, it's an 80s rom-com, but the combination of eccentric characters, absurd situations, and quirky one-liners will keep just about everyone entertained. Next on our list is the 1940 classic film His Girl Friday, starring Cary Grant. This is another story of love lost and the battle to regain it. Grant plays newspaper editor Walter Burns, whose marriage to star reporter Hildy Johnson, played by Rosalind Russell, crashed and burned. She plans to remarry, but Grant offers her the story of a lifetime in an attempt to lure her back. Throw in an inept sheriff, one prison escape, and the plight of a man wrongly convicted, and you get a surprisingly sophisticated comedy. This next movie is one of the all-time greats when it comes to YouTube movies. Kung Fury is a Miami cop who was simultaneously struck by lightning and bitten by a cobra while fighting a kung fu master, inheriting superhuman fighting skills. Known simply as Kung Fury, he uses his newfound powers to uphold the law, even when justice demands that he doesn't play by the rules. Funded as a Kickstarter project, Kung Fury combines everything that was both ridiculous and wonderful about 80s action movies. Returning to classic 40s humor, we have Bob Hope's My Favorite Brunette. Hope plays Ronnie Jackson, a baby photographer who happens to be office sitting for a private investigator when trouble walks through the door. Hope and co-star Dorothy Lamour, who portrays the Baroness Carlotta Monte, search high and low for the missing Baron, all the while being chased by a gang of thugs. This lighthearted comedy follows an implausible and deliberately crazy plot containing unsuspected twists and turns everywhere. Getting his start on YouTube, Burnham burst onto the comedy scene after posting a handful of hilarious original songs. It wasn't long before Comedy Central came knocking and Burnham was hosting hour-long specials. The 2013 special entitled What is a mix of clever and silly songs, physical comedy interplay with backing tracks, and some timeless jokes. Even better, this comedy special is hosted on his own channel where you can see some of those original clips and most of his new material too. If you like this list, please check out our collection of the best free movies on YouTube. Also visit our website at digitaltrends.com and be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more of the best in tech news and reviews.